Let's close our eyes and open up our hearts to receive the power of the living Word. 2 Corinthians 10:5 says, "We demolish arguments and every pretension that sets itself up against the knowledge of God, and we take captive every thought to make it obedient to Christ." Pause and let's consider the power of this passage. Every vain imagination that is coming against your mind, every human tradition that makes the word of no effect, every deception, every pretense or presumptuous line of thinking, every lofty opinion must crumble in the sight of the living God. Sometimes God has to tear down our old way of thinking so that we can enter in through a heart of living faith. God wants us to be believing in Him as we lean our entire person into who He is and His faithfulness. Praise the living God. So maybe you are going through a demolition phase where you're weary, you're soul tired, but God is still on the throne. He will teach you how to build your life in Him. For in Him you live, you move, and you have your very being and existence. Praise the living God. All things were made for Him, by Him, and through Him. Nothing was made except that which was made through Him. So be at peace. Be at rest. Let the effectual word take effect in your life today. Once the demolition process begins, you can have hope that what He builds in you will remain. Be blessed.